Welcome to this powerful energy cleansing meditation. I want to begin by acknowledging how important this moment is. Taking even just a few minutes to clear your energy can create a profound shift in your mind, in your emotions, and in your entire energetic field. And today, you are giving yourself that gift. So gently find a comfortable position. Let your spine be tall, your chest open, and allow your shoulders to roll back just slightly. Rest your palms in your lap, facing upward, a sign that you are ready to receive healing. And when it feels right, softly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in, feeling your stomach and rib cage expand fully. Hold it at the top and exhale out through your mouth with ease, letting go of the weight of your day fall away. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, filling the body with new light. Hold at the top and exhale fully through your mouth, letting go of old energy. And one last time, your deepest breath yet. Inhale, expand, hold, and release everything that no longer belongs to you. Now return to a natural, comfortable rhythm. Let your breath be soft, present, effortless. If it feels right, silently welcome the presence of your highest, most loving guides, beings of pure healing, protection, and clarity. Now imagine a sphere of brilliant white gold light gently forming above the crown of your head. This glowing orb shimmers like sunlight on water, warm, pure, alive. When you feel ready to begin the cleansing, simply say yes, out loud or in your heart. The orb opens and becomes a ring of radiant light. This ring slowly begins to pour down through your crown like a gentle shower of pure healing energy. Feel it wash across your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, melting tension, dissolving heaviness, clearing away stagnant energy. The light continues to flow down your neck and shoulders, your arms, hands, and fingertips, down your chest and upper back, your belly and lower back, your hips, thighs, knees, all the way down to your feet and toes. This light is steady, continuous, healing. For a few moments, simply breathe and let this cleansing flow through you. As the light continues to move through you, Imagine your physical body becoming clearer, brighter, lighter. Like fog dissolving into sunlight, your body becomes as clear as glass. Now the ring of golden light gently expands wider above you, widening until it surrounds your entire energetic field, your aura. Trust your intuition. Maybe it extends a foot around you, maybe 3. Maybe it fills the entire room. Let the light wash through your energy body, clearing away cords, residue, and anything that is not yours to carry. With each breath, your aura becomes clearer, cleaner, lighter, until it shines like pure crystal. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Feel a warm sense of gratitude glowing softly there. If you welcomed any guides, thank them now. And thank yourself for showing up, for choosing cleansing, clarity, and renewal. Remember, just as the body needs regular care, so does your energy. You can return to this practice anytime you need to feel clear, grounded, and free. Begin gently rolling your shoulders, wiggling your fingers, moving your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the room with a clearer mind, a lighter heart, and an energy field glowing with peace.